What if the problem isn't that you don't read enough? What if the problem is the way you read? Most people finish a great book, remember a few ideas for a week or two, and then most of it disappears. Claude AI can help fix that, not by replacing books, by helping you understand, remember, and actually use what you learn. Here are 5 ways to turn Claude into your personal reading assistant. The first one starts before you even open the book. Ask Claude for a roadmap. Give it the book title and author. Then ask, I'm about to read this book. Give me the 5 biggest ideas, why they matter, and one question I should keep in mind while reading. Now your brain has a framework. Instead of random information, every chapter has somewhere to fit. The second trick is turning your notes into something useful. Most people highlight sentences and never look at them again. After finishing a chapter, paste your notes into Claude and say, turn this into a 5-minute study guide with the biggest lessons and action steps. Now you have something you can actually review. The third trick is my favorite. Have a conversation with the book. If an idea doesn't make sense, bring it to Claude. Ask, explain this idea in simple language with a real-world example. Instead of reading the same paragraph over and over, you get clarity. The fourth trick is where the real value happens. Apply the book to your actual life, because reading more books doesn't automatically change anything. Using the information does. You can ask Claude, here are the lessons from this book. How would I apply them to my business, career, or daily routine? Now the book becomes a tool instead of just information. And the fifth trick is building a smarter reading list. Instead of scrolling through reviews forever, tell Claude your goals, interests, and what types of books you actually finish. Claude can help you find books that match where you want to go next. The big idea is this. Claude doesn't replace reading. It helps you get more from the time you already spend reading. Understand more, remember more, apply more. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Claude AI workflow. Hit the like button if this gave you an idea you're going to try. I'll see you tomorrow.